Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best fireplace tool sets on the market right now.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. FireBeauty 5 Pieces Fireplace Tool Set. Introducing the FireBeauty Fireplace Tool Set, a must-have for all wood-burning wood stoves and gas heaters. This 5-piece set includes a brush, shovel, tong, fire pit poker, and a heavy-duty base. The ergonomic design of each tool ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to effortlessly tend to your fire. The modern diamond curlicue design not only adds a touch of style, but also perfectly complements our diamond design fireplace screen. Crafted from durable cast iron and finished with a modern powder coating, this set is built to last. With its easy installation and top support, your fire pit tools will always be neatly organized. Upgrade your fireplace experience with the FireBeauty Fireplace Tool Set. Wrought iron material, durable cast iron, modern powder coated, includes brush, shovel, tong and fire pit poker, and heavy-duty base. Easy installation, size 11 inches by 6 inches x 30.5 h. The top supportive tool set keeps your fire pit tools neatly organized. Number 4. Kingson Fireplace Tool Set. The Kingson Fireplace Tool Set is a must-have for any fireplace owner. This set includes all the essential tools you need to maintain and tend to your fire. The poker allows you to safely move and adjust the logs, while the tongs make it easy to add or remove wood from the fire. The brush and shovel are perfect for cleaning up ash and debris, keeping your fireplace looking clean and tidy. With this set, you'll have everything you need to keep your fire burning bright and your fireplace looking its best. The Kingson Fireplace Tool Set is a convenient and practical accessory that will enhance your fireplace experience. The fireplace accessories set includes a simple and classic stand, shovel, poker, brush, and tongs. To add or move logs safely, use the fireplace tongs. Moving logs and stoking the fire are both excellent uses for the fire poker. Ash and used firewood are easily removed using the brush and shovel. All fireplace tools black can be easily stored and picked up on the stand. Number 3. FireBeauty Fireplace Tool Set. The FireBeauty Tool Set is a 5-piece fireplace tool set that is perfect for wood-burning stoves and gas heaters. With its ergonomic design, each tool has a firm handle with an orb at the top, providing a comfortable grip and preventing fatigue. The tools are made of durable wrought iron material and come with a modern powder-coated finish. The set includes a brush, shovel, tong, fire pit poker, and a heavy-duty base for easy installation. The top support keeps your fire pit tools neatly organized. With its durable design and 9-inch cast iron base, the FireBeauty tool set is built to last. Ergonomic design, each fireplace tool has a firm handle with an orb at the top, feels good in the hand and fatigue-free. Each handle has installed on the rod, no need to install. Wrought iron material, durable cast iron, modern powder coated, includes brush, shovel, tong and fire pit poker and heavy-duty base. Number 2. FireBeauty Fireplace Tool Set. The FireBeauty Fireplace Tool Set includes 5 classic and ergonomic tools with a unique ring design for easy movement. The set is made of durable cast iron with a modern powder-coated surface and includes a brush, shovel, tong, fire pit poker, heavy-duty base, and body. The tools are integrated and will not come loose with use, and the set is easy to install and keep organized. This set is perfect for all wood-burning stoves and gas heaters, as well as outdoor fire pits. Matching with all wood-burning wood stoves and gas heaters. Unique ring design at the top for easy movement. Ergonomic design, 5 pieces rustic fireplace tools. Each fireplace tool has a firm handle, feels good in the hand and fatigue-free. Each tool and handle is integrated design so it will not come loose with use. The main rod has whorl designed. Wrought iron material, durable cast iron, modern powder-coated surface, includes brush, shovel, tong, fire pit poker, heavy-duty base and body. Solid steel construction process with spray painting technologies, can withstand extreme heat without compromising sturdiness even after years of use. Number 1. IRONMAX 5-piece Fireplace Tool Set. The IRONMAX Fireplace Tool Set is a modern and stylish 5-piece set that includes a stand with 4 hooks, a poker, tongs, a broom, and a shovel. The tongs allow you to add firewood safely, while the poker helps you move the burning wood to create bigger flames. The shovel and brush are perfect for clearing cinders. With its heavy-duty and large support stand, this set stands firmly on the ground without tipping over. Made of durable wrought iron with a high-temperature resistant powder coating, these tools can withstand the heat of the fire, making them suitable for indoor fireplace stoves and outdoor fire pits. The integrated hooks at the top of the frame keep the tools organized and save space, making it a practical and space-saving design. The IRONMAX Fireplace Tool Set is not only functional but also adds an attractive decoration to your living room. No installation is required, and it makes for an ideal Christmas gift or housewarming gift for friends.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.